Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Matter when you not easy, we go wake up tomorrow. Matter when you not settle, we go wake up tomorrow. Matter when they not trick, you go wake up tomorrow again. What is all this? E bosse ni je mo ki ati ewe mu abat. E bosse ni je mo ki ati ewe mu. E la we no pe lo ki ati ewe mu. E o no wu ko le meta ni kabaka we. Iya de me to ni kabaka you obo. Ari gba lo ma no wo la gba ma no we wo na bat o set we. Wa you hie mo. Uwe agwu ne kabaka agwu. O se ka so wo ya fe fo hu ya mu we. Hu ya mu. Wa we? Wetin do you? Wetin do you? Election not be everybody they support everybody. A person where they not support not they cry. Who they not support not they cry say they not support him. And he has never, His Excellency has never ever by mistake mentioned it on media platform, even by news or write it on paper, say whoever that not support me for re-election, if you live abroad, don't come back home. Or whoever that was against me during my re-election, if you live abroad, don't come back home. Okay, say bonere. Nyoswaya. Now it's time they begin to say election. The time of trouble, a lot of people not support. A lot of people support. Like it minute another Tony Koba. A lot of people support. A lot of people not support. One and now is said, but when at the I not the leg, what does it to hang governor? We went to seek a governor working over you all. And if you are second, but not better, I said, but not bijou. I remember that you want to talk whatever, and you will not miss your bobo. I mean, that's why you want to get look at Mary, and you get Bewaji. Because why? In any kind was in weekend, no walk polo lay at him, Macboro, no so go any, or your man. And I'm amigo Kawabori, or Reco, he have your record, immortal of very lord the logic. Amaka Magwen, do my DSS, immortal got the document. Tony Kabaka dog base, and an amigo is nowhere to be found. You are born lower, but I'm go and look for him in Lagos. I reckon go and look for him in Lagos. And if you say an amigo, if you say as if an amigo come and don't stay by it back, set blow say you want fight him. Tony Kabaka did that those states. Why you never block him one-on-one with your car? Say, brother, me they thought to come make a fight you, not go for those states. Lo no go work be wasan. Why you never track her one-on-one? Just the kind of pop, just the gather wala. Who no say you on your own now? They will say that governor send you. Who no say you on your own now? You go there to say now where and the governor tell me no. Now what the governor tell him? No, he said that innocent man is not even aware of the nuisance we are constituting on social media platform. Is there silence not us? Anybody will not vote for her, will not support her, make them not where they abroad, where they not come back at those states again. Is there silence not us? Anybody will not share 4+4, not be at those states again. Is there silence not us? Anybody will not support the election? Can I know when I go? Oh, Baba, yeah, Jay. Abati keka mi yo no ho wa no he. No me go se ka na me go na lago down. Abati know a lot of big men, big idiots who call themselves big men, who call themselves rich people. Una no feel even though not feel juice on ourselves, since una dey useless. Since una not feel una dey useless, una not feel juice on ourselves. One and not say use Abbas in make impact in Edo State. One and not say use Abbas make impact in Edo State. People they use people. People where Abbas don't insult, they don't use me to do something for that Edo State. Because I not on Facebook on the shout. Because I not on Facebook on the finger go up, come they shout, come they make noise. Who not go face use Abbas to make impact to do something. Abbas the kind of police they pass through Edo State they go as if he's the deputy governor looking for an amigo Tony Kabaka. He was born now. Ezo ki agbo your baze, ezo ki agbo. E wonu ya yere ye Tony Kabaka gbebe ya fe numara he wok mi ani. Me na mega yo pare doni. Abi uwusiga no, abi siga ya fe le Kabaka koko. Wa bi ki gba bobo wa yan gba se. E Boston was a Kabaka boy. If Kabaka is a terrorist, that guy you call your friend is a terrorist, my friend. Are you mango boy abati? Abaso go boy. Uwa Kabaka talk boy. for those states. Una go to say that they distort social media. Why be say they are just no idiot who say they get money, why they still get this no peace for social media. But I'm gonna face people when they come out for Facebook when they talk and come out. Now that be the bad person when I'm like come and get peace. When the peace in a go wa mama we are going to be buy. A peace in go wa mama we are going to buy. The thing go they happen, I'm gonna use money with connection till they cover no say, who no say, and I then
Just so my people, now welcome back to ETA Edo Tafia Me Boy YouTube channel. The channel will say it everywhere, and I be waiting and people they talk about it just because of say we know they talk lie. We talk exactly as it be. We know the hard journal. We know the commot. And we don't the bias. We don't the practice anything negligent. So anything there that we don't the neglect them. You get me? So exactly as it be. We stand for the truth and the truth. Now that one day put and pass. We say this station today. If not, we not go open them at all. Now be waiting there. We can't feature somebody. We be say everybody still know. So despite say she's stubborn, but however she did talk the truth. She did talk exactly as it be. And the person call me the name of Stainless Amadi. You know what I mean? So she come out now. She can't talk to a lot of people about Obaze. She can't talk to the politicians or the big men or whatsoever people will be say they back them up. Will be say about Obaze they do what they do now. So Stainless can't talk to every one of them. I be waiting because of this incident. Will be say about Obaze continue to look for Iranomigo and Tony Kabaka, they go and things like that. We be say you can't be like say as it be and say anybody at all. We be say go against the governor or we vote against the governor or we no or we campaign against the governor. About Obaze nah, yeah, especially if they in the diaspora. About Obaze go they look for them they go. They exactly the way they look for Iranomigo they go. So still let's talk say this kind of thing not good. Although she she really talks straight and direct. Everybody knows as Stainless be. You know what I mean? So she not they bend anything like Quita first talk. She just talk exactly as it be. So Stainless even talk say yes about Obaze. If he talk say now so Tony Kabaka be or whatever say Tony Kabaka na bad person. Make you remember say his best friend now or one of his best friend now in Boston say it was one of Tony Kabaka's boys. You understand what I mean? So if Tony Kabaka be anyhow be now so he boys still be which is now so is to a Boston still be. So make about Obaze they know the way till they talk. So in fact Stainless really talk well. So we be say we go just do now make we just listen to her. You understand what I mean? Because Stainless go even talk read the big man body we if you say they just they look about Obaze as he they perform what they perform for those state there. You get me? So we be say so many things no good. So Stainless really talk well. So right now make we just listen to Stainless as she wants her to break everything down. You get me? So from A to Z and so just be so my people as they join her, may Baba God continue to bless you with your family now here us now do well now bad.
Una where be the people where they say una get money, where they say about unnecessary message where about they run for una. All of una na poor idiots. Because why? Those money one they spend, one at they do nonsense, they send that back, go they look for people where not they found una. There are a lot of projects, ongoing projects, uncompleted projects, unmeasured projects, full ground remain jagada for those states. Una not use my money to do anything, una they way more basket do magic. Una not get any area wanna tell support government, una they way may do magic, make those states become London. Uwa maso. Anyway, ya get back you no gwale na no migo kia. Okwe agu no kwa ogi no get back you. Even in many okni many ya zo ebebo. Okwe agu no kwa ogi no get back you. Ngono ya gwale na no migo we Tony Kabaka kia. Uwa maso no ro na me na ya. Uwa agwa buja. Uwa afe yo ba kanto. Because igugwa igo jani go seka igo so wo kwa mevekpo. There are a lot of things to do with that thing you call money. There are a lot of things to do with that thing you come with, that rich, that wealth when you say you get. Always una not to do na to go Wesley Hotel, go the boss money. Una the word make governor do magic. Una the word make governor do where about who be a whole way. A old man where. Until you change this your attitude, you will never know peace in this social media platform. As far as Mr. Less is concerned. Yes. As long as I'm concerned, you not share this your manner of greedy, selfishness, self-centered, primitive. Any afefe no udari ya yagbon wa bate ya je. Abati we me na ona mekwe na maso ekwe na mama no mama no mama da yen no mama se ekwe no mama ma. If supposing Abati is any little way related to the governor, who were all of una for the need down they pull her down before una wake up in the morning work out for those states. If supposing that will be son get any way mistakenly but accidentally or mistakenly by broken condom, take any way to relate to the governor before una walk up for those states, una for the bad down. If not, Abate will be they don't you can this and all don't die is a non. Governor Obaseki, His Excellency, Governor, may you live long, neither will you because you are a great man. His Excellency not us, anybody will not support him. Will not force for him. Oh, shut up, you. What the worries you? His Excellency not us, anybody will not vote for him, will not support him, make them not, where they abroad, where they not come back at those states again. His Excellency not us, anybody will not share 4+4, not be a those state picking again. His Excellency not us, anybody will not support the election. Can I know when I go? Oh, Baba, say ya day. Abati keka we no ho wa no he. No me go se kana me go na lago down. Abati know a lot of big men, big idiot who call themselves big men, who call themselves rich people. Una no fit even though not fit use una self, since una dey useless. Since una no fit una dey useless, una no fit use una self. One and not still use Abbas in make impact in Edo State. One and not still use Abbas make impact in Edo State. People they use people.